Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 5th of December. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own chart. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, looking at ES. ES is grinding up. Not sure how seriously to take patterns at this stage, but I think this is a grind up which could last us another week and could actually make some of the targets that I was looking at in my bigger picture charts. We had no current divergence on ES. We had a 60-minute sell signal fix on, we had one fail yesterday and also another one fix yesterday on NQ. Again, not sure how seriously to take that. We do have a decent looking double top setup here though. RTY, we have a very, very nice bull flag. It's a bull flag channel. It's very, very nice. And the target would be a retest of this high here in the 2476 area. So at the moment, my lean is that we're going to make that on a 60-minute buy signal, which has reached the possible near miss target. On YM, forming what could be a little double top here. No current negative divergence. On DAX, 60-minute sell signal is fixed, and if one hadn't already fixed, one would be brewing. But on ESTX, we've still got higher to go. We've got a double bottomed here with a target in the 49.90 area, and I'm still expecting that to make target. We no longer have a 60-minute sell signal brewing. We lost that divergence overnight. All right, great. Let's have a look at the bigger picture charts. And looking at SPX yesterday, got a possible 15-minute sell signal brewing, but I'm wondering whether we might make this trend line here, although I would say that we didn't reach the support trend line, so that's not really a strong target. I've got that in about the 61.30 area on SPX, and we reached the 89 area at the high yesterday, so 6100 is very much in range. On the bigger picture charts, I'm still wondering whether we might make it to this this target here, which is in the 6200 to 6225 area. That's still quite a way away, but it's getting closer. And we've still got a few days potentially of bull window, so it might make it. In terms of the daily charts, we lost the negative divergence yesterday, so we haven't got anything on the daily. We picked up some on not on the Qs, which is getting pretty close to my resistance trend line here, but that's not a bigger picture resistance trend line. That's a smaller picture resistance trend line. Looks like a pretty nice one though, and that could be resistance when we get there. On Dire, we've now got a possible sell signal brewing, but of course it's not accompanied by the one on SPX because we've now lost that one. So I'm not taking the signals particularly seriously. I've got a couple of trend lines above which are we're not close to hitting yet on Dow. All right, let's have a look at the IWM charts. IWM, oh, hang on, one sec. Let's have a look at the shorter term charts too. Wondering about this trend line here. I drew that in yesterday morning and we hit it. Got some 15-minute negative divergence. Again, not sure how seriously to take that. Nothing on NQ really. Dow, we've got, we had little head shoulders which rejected, and we've got a back up into the high. We've got a potential little level top here, but again, we may just go through that, especially as on IWM, we've got a really nice looking bull flag here. And that is setting up in all probability a retest of this high here at 244.98. All right, let's have a look at let's have a look at the IWM chart on the 15-minute. Looks like a bull flag. Could be part of an overall double top, but very much looks like a bull flag. DAX is off on a tear, but is now pretty close to reaching a resistance trend line that I've been watching. We may have reached that overnight because this is not an up-to-the-minute chart. On Nikkei, we've broken up over the daily middle band, and we may potentially be going higher. So we will see. All right, let's have a look at DX. DX, we've broken this trend line here, and that means that we've broken the trend line on the bigger picture. So short term, we may not be heading straight back up to retest the high, but I'm thinking we may well retest it later anyway. On ZB, we're trying to get up through, and we're still supported by a daily RSI 14 sell signal on TNX, but we're still working on getting up to the target here, which would be in about the 121.24 to 26 area. CL, we had a sell signal that made target. Might be reversing back up, but basically we're just trading in a range sideways and waiting. I'm not sure what we're waiting for, but I'm thinking at the end of the wait, we may well be going to test the triangle target at 63.57. NG, rallying a bit, but we lost the very nice bull flag setup. Of course, seasonally, we're heading down into the April area, and that may well have started. GC, bit uncertain in terms of we got a lot of resistance at the daily middle bands on the metals. SI is looking the most promising because we're actually trying to break up from this double bottom here with a target in the 33.90 to 34 area, and that may well deliver. But HG, this is a very, very nice bear flag channel. Some of these break up, but normally we'd see a retest of the low here. So I'm leaning towards seeing that, and I've got that at about 4065. Okay, let's have a look at KC. KC heading back up, I think, towards a retest of the high. SB still in this very, very long consolidation. I'm hoping that the target for the consolidation where it breaks up, which is here, won't have dropped off by the chart by the time we break up. It's only a 3-month chart. On CC, we've gone back up and retested the high. Nothing to suggest that we're about to turn back round at the moment. But I think we probably sell ourselves up the support trend line, which is good. CT, probably going to retest this high, I think. Could be the second high of a double top when we get there. I am wondering if CT is going to go lower. And on ZW, ZW, nice looking double bottom. Corn looks like a bull flag. This IHS, though, broke up and failed, so we've got a target down and retest this low here in the 425 area. On wheat, we've got another perfect bear flag channel here, and I'm wondering about a retest of this low. Lumber looks like a bull flag forming. Lean hogs still hasn't retested this high here, which I'm expecting to see soon. And that's live cattle, and lean hogs looks like a bull flag forming. All right, great. Let's have a look at questions, of which we have none. And Michael, what would you like me to have a look at here? I'm just going to do a quick recap of ES, but if there's anything else, just drop it into the questions. On ES, no current divergence, grinding higher, and may well grind a lot higher. If we can actually take advantage of the rest of the bull window for the next few days into Christmas, then we can actually head up another 100 handles potentially is what I'm hoping to see. We will see. It's NQ, we've got a little sell signal. After the first one failed, we've had a second one fixed. Doesn't necessarily mean anything. RTY, we've got a very nice flag, and that should deliver a retest of this high here in the 2476 area. And YM, possible little level top here. Could see a retracement here to start off with, but it wouldn't surprise me if this headed straight back up as well. All right, great. Okay, cool. Well, my pleasure as always, mate. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers.